Hello and welcome to This Food is Yummy. And today, what are we cooking?
Penne alla vodka.
Penne alla vodka.
Yeah,
I thought
is that
we were
good?
going to do something for eating, not something for drinking.
Well, you know. I like the drinks too.
Let's start with our first ingredient.
It's a raining ham.
Oh, raining ham.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, I can tell. Yeah,
It's
yeah.
a raining ham.
Yeah, it's definitely raining. So does it have to be ham, or can we use anything else?
No, you can use anything.
Oh, that's good.
I've done chicken before and it was really good. Because we did the elephant garlic, but I think it was like around 3 cloves.
Okay, so far we have the ham and some garlic. What's next?
Basil.
Oh, we're getting
Oh,
that
my
right
favorite,
from our
right?
garden. We have our little basil garden. And it goes right into the pan.
Yep, get it wilted. Oh, here we go.
And here comes the star.
Yep, the vodka.
That
I know.
seems a little bit...
I know.
No, I think you need a little bit more than that.
I know.
Here you're fixing
There we
it,
go.
finally.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's a little wee from the pour.
Well, double pour is always good.
Next, we're getting the tomatoes set to go into the ham mixture.
Ooh, okay. So those are the San Marzano from Cento tomatoes. They're from Italy, coming out of a region that has volcanic earth, and they're having those tomatoes in that volcanic earth, and that should give it a special taste, I guess. So you're using the smoothie setting for these tomatoes?
To make it smooth. A lot of people make it chunky. You can make it chunky if you want, want more tomatoes. But we prefer the smoother finish on the sauce.
That looks already yummy.
It does.
And finally, here we got some spices.
I know, not just any spice.
What spice is it?
That is not an American spice.
Pepper is not an American? Oh, you're talking about the one before, okay.
Yeah, it's
So-
super special.
So it's what is it?
Aromat.
Ah, that's a Swiss spice, I think.
Yeah. Like, it really is a very simple recipe that is not really involved, but it has a huge depth of flavor. It's something that, like, if you made it for someone, like a guest, they would enjoy it, and they knew that it was like homemade kind of thing. It's not just like you opened ragu and put it in a pan with some cream, you know? We're removing the basil, and then we're gonna add the cream in.
And here we are adding beef bouillon powder, which is what we use instead of salt. We use 2 of those little packages. You could use salt, but this just gives it a little bit more oomph, you know? It's like
Right.
just a more tasty way to do it. Yes, we're not gonna make a soup, but still, it's for all the pasta, we're using bouillon instead of the salt.
If you try the beef bouillon, you would not just use salt. It's so amazing.
Now, I'm not sure what you're doing here, but it looks to me like that's cross-contamination.
No, it was too thick, so I'm adding some of the pasta water to get the consistency that I want in the sauce.
That sounds good.
Oh, it is.
So how long do you cook the pasta?
I don't know. You decide how long the pasta was supposed to be cooked for.
Okay. Yeah, so basically, it depends on the person. You know, some people, they like it al dente. And al dente means there is a little bite to it. And it comes from the Italian word dente, which dente means teeth in Italian. Some people like it overcooked, or what the Italian would call overcooked. Some people like it even less than al dente. In general, we can say if you hear a cracking when you bite in it, it's probably not enough.
Yeah.
We really hope that you're gonna try this. It is yummy.
Oh, it is yummy.
It's yummy.